Dear viewers and subscribers, welcome again to our YouTube channel Max the Service. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive all notifications regarding any video we are uploading on this channel. Hello guys, in last session we have covered Docker build commands apart from general commands like Docker version, system info and help. So in this session we will be working because in last session we have built images and now we will be running those images as a container. So let's start with how container runs. How we can run containers, first we have to check either do we have some images or not. So for that, to check the images we can type just docker images, sorry, docker images, I docker image, yeah. Here you can see we have some default images. For that definitely I will be using some command to build image. For that I will be using docker. As you know that we use already have been using build. um, I want to tag this image demo UI latest one, done. It is building and copying all the material from working directory to the app directory on in the container, and also installing all Angular related dependencies and also CLI, so that we can also run further command if we install CLI. So it is using Node as a base image and creating an application demo UI with the rest of configuration. We have all the source code. Okay, so now let's check. We must have image with demo UI, and now I have to run this image because now we'll be working on run uh, containers. So how we can run this image as a container? Here is the command where we can name this image as a demo container, and we can also provide the uh, port. Guys, if I will not provide any port name, definitely we have to check either it is working with port or not. So first command is just to, you can just use docker run and demo demo UI, because you have to provide the name of this image with tag. If you will not provide tag, then it will first look locally, and if there is no local image available, then it will find on uh, remote, okay, on registry, docker registry, because we have to provide, okay, this is the name of image and this is the tag we also have to provide, okay, latest. So here you can see it is building, and now you can check with either it is running or not. Here you can see, okay, it is not running. Why? Because we have not provided this port, on which port actually it has to be run. So for that you must uh, run it with the following. uh, yeah, here you can, I can provide the, why I'm not able to show rest of logs, because I have provided detached. So only your image will be built and its ID will be provided to you. So if I go again and just refresh, here you can see, ooh, great. You are able to, also you can see, you can check that it's a demo UI with latest tag. But one thing, you will not be able to see the name of the container. It is auto created name of containers. So if you want to provide the container name, then you have to provide the command like here, the name. With name you can also provide with ports and everything. If I run container, with this name you will be see, okay, now you have this new image with this container. Okay, and also you can stop this because this will not be able to run because ports is already occupied. If you can stop this one and then you can run this container, and you will be able to see the UI as well. Here you can see demo UI. Okay guys, so next command is, if you want to run a command, okay, run my container. Whenever I stop my container, it should be removed. You want this container should be removed from your host. Okay, so what you will be doing? So let me delete these containers. Okay, and now we have demo UI already there, and if I go to provide this information with just RM. Okay, dash RM. Okay, now you can see here is your container running, and also you can see the output. It is refreshing and definitely it will be available for you. So let's suppose if I stop it, if I stop it, whew, here you can see container is also deleted. You are not able to see it anymore. Okay, so if you want to attach your terminal, like here I have to provide the another command. If you want to see that, okay, I want to interact with terminal, you have to provide this. I am reviewing this to don't make it confused. Here you can see you will be interacting with this terminal. You can because now you can see after before this command, before dash it interacting mode, you were able to see here how the container is running, and you were able to see all of this here. But now you can also use this. You can also just press Control C, and your container will be removed because you have stopped. You don't want to go into the host desktop Docker desktop, and you just want to interact with the container from your CLI. Then you have to provide this command with dash it. Okay. So after this, if you can also provide the host name of your container. For that, let me clear it. For that, if I want to provide the host name, so I'm shortening it. If I want to provide the host name, what should I do? I just will be providing, I'm not providing container name anymore. To make the command short, I will just providing host name, my container, my host. You can also provide any local host, whatever you want. So after this, you will be able to see here. Okay, you can just click on and see the UI here as well. Okay, now what the benefit of providing this? So you will be providing my host instead of local host. Let me close this. In this command, I did not provide RM, and you can see here your container is also available here. You just stopped it, okay? But it did not remove from your host, from your Docker desktop. So, whenever you will be communicating between the containers, you will be providing my host. You will not provide your local IP, whatever your IP is mentioned, on which machine you are running this demo UI. You don't need to provide that IP because you have provided my host. So you will be providing this host name to the communicator. Okay, connect with me with this host. Okay guys, so you can also provide while running container, you can also provide, let me remove this. If you want to provide your environment file, then you can also provide like docker run env file, and here you will be providing file name whatever your file name is. So you can also provide runtime your file name or environment file name, so that it will be used. You can let's suppose you have environment file name in this project, and when you deploy this application on host remote like production QA whatever environment, then you can also refer this environment file name, and this image will be you reading environment variable from that environment file. So in future, in coming session, I will also show you, because this project is going to expand and it will be a big project. If you are attached with this channel and you are really interested to learn from scratch to, and be you want to be a master blaster of Java and DevOps application development, like clouds, whatever, because it will this project will be containing everything from scratch. You will be able to have experience like full stack developer. Okay, so you can also go through the series I have started with, and now I'm 40% completed, and one by one I'm going on with your sport. So please don't forget to like, share, and comments. And the next command is providing port, which I have shown you how you can provide the ports, and you can also run with the volume specifying. You can also run with a network specification. So I will show you how to mention volume. I will also show you how to mention the networks. I will be sharing detailed session on it. But for now, you can just add Docker run. For volume specification, you can just provide V. So local volume, this is your local volume. Mean if you want to uh, set a volume, okay, one volume you have inside the container, and another volume you want to specify out of your container, because if your container crashed or stopped or removed, then all the data in this volume will remain safe. And after that, you can also refer this volume, your volume, to other container. Okay, I will show you how to do this in coming lecture, in coming video as well. So far now, right now, because let's suppose you are going to mention, okay, this is the data, and also I want to refer data inside container. Whatever data inside container is going to store, it should be stored here on another machine, because I'm not providing a URL, absolute URL, so it will be referring on the same machine but not inside container. Okay, I can just write inside container, and it will be outside container. Okay, so this is the simple command you can mention, and rest of commands will remain same. So we will be doing practice with this in detail in different session. Just I am just referring here. So you can also set the container to start automatically when the Docker daemon starts, unless the container has been manually stopped. Let's suppose you want your container to be stopped whenever you start your application Docker desktop. Okay, when we start Docker desktop, it start Docker engine, and Docker engine automatically create daemon. So after that, if you want to start your container automatically, you will just type run restart unless stopped demo UI latest and like port 4200 4200. Okay, so it will, whenever you will start your Docker desktop, it will automatically start. Okay. Okay guys, we have covered how image is built and then how we can run images as a container. In next session, we will be starting with how to manage containers, because we have learned that how to run the container. Now in next session, we will be working with examples how to manage containers. Okay, please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and also do like, share in your circle these videos, and also provide your valuable comments. And I hope you will be liking and sharing, so that I will be continuing with rest of the technologies and tools sharing with you. Thanks.